Alright dudes, we're back. We're gonna get the shock mounted. And to do that, we gotta do some stuff. Just watch, okay? Just watch this. So all we have to do is go get the thing. Whoa, how did it do that? Okay, serious time. What we're gonna do, get off the tripod. What we're doing here, okay, we will take this guy off of the thingy, and then using the hardware, this guy here, we will mount our stock swing arm and shock on this old frame over here. Oh, my knee. Oh, and once we do that, we will get the angle, hopefully, of the swing arm with the shock at full extension. And then we will mimic that angle with the new swing arm on it. And then holding the lower eyelet of the shock, it'll tell us whereabouts we want that mount to be on the swing arm. So we will set that up. And hopefully I can make that do thing. Yeah. Right, here we go. This is about to be a momentous occasion. We're about to take the thing out for the first time. We're just gonna do a couple welds real quick. I guess we can turn that off now. Magic. Where's my wrench? I'm kind of afraid it's just gonna go when I take it out. Whoa. Oh, that was good. You know what? Just to prevent a bang. How did I cut myself? Touching all the sharp, jagged metal. What a mystery. Oh boy, ready boy. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, dudes. That is cool. It's a swing arm made with these own two hands. These, they're mine. These hands, yes. Okay, now for the next step. To start putting the stuff in the thing. Let's go over to get that. I won't get there eventually. Okay, that looks good enough. Here we go. Okay, so. Okay. It wasn't recording. Anyway, so we gotta get the angle of this swing arm in full extension. And we're gonna have to raise this guy up off the ground, up higher, because this is on the ground. And we will have to somehow figure out the angle. So that'll be fun. Okay, let's skip to the end where I did all that already. Okay, here we go. So what we did here, we measured the diameter there and there, divided those numbers, which respectively put dots there and there, draw a line through them, which gets us at about the middle of the body of the arm and the axis along which the thingies are aligned. And then we measured an equal gap to get this lower guy so that we could put this guy up against that and pressed him up against that. Good thing it's flexible. And that gave us 19 degrees from perpendicular to this guy. So imagine a line at 90 degrees off of this coming out like down that way somewhere, yeah. And that's 19 degrees from that. So we're gonna get this guy up higher and take it out, put the other one in, figure out a new line on which we can measure our axis angle, and that will help us get one step more closer to the thing that we're doing. Yes, here we yeah, I say that too much. Okay, I say that too much. Here we go. I say that too much. Okie dokie. Let me sit down. Yeah, so we got it. We're playing mind games on me. Or I'm playing mind games on us right now because I put that block under that end, but nothing under that end, so the whole thing tilted like that. So it doesn't look like the same angle as the stock arm. But we have achieved our primary objective. I tied the string on that and then around the other one. You can't see it in here, but it's like, it's where it should be, I think. And then we put this guy here. And if we look at that, that looks pretty parallel to me, despite the angle, because we're not directly next to it. But this is not an exact science, so we can get away with it, hopefully, now that we have that with the length of the shock. It'll tell us right where we want that mount. So we're gonna work on that now. Let's go. We're getting there, baby. Dun, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, dudes. Look at that. Yes. Oh. That is sick. Freaking awesome. Oh. Yes. We're about to tack it in place. Alright, dudes. Jeez, that's a lot of travel. If we're parallel with the frame, it's like way down there. Anyways, let's tack her up, and then we'll be near completion for this video. Whoa. We have too much crap in the garage. But what's new? That looks so cool. Okay, time to stick her up. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it back up on the thingy, on the table, as fast as possible. Okay, you can go away. Yoink! There we go. We're one step closer to getting this guy a replacement. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Yes. We're doing good, dudes. It's not perfect, but for a first try, it is good enough. Yeah. I'm not very good at English. It's the only language I speak, and it's still my second language. Oh gosh, that's bad. Okay. Oh yeah. We're looking real good here. That's interesting. Okay. Gotta get it off the thingy so we can make a better view. Stock mount right there. Fascinating. Not really. But anyways, cool. This thing is a mess. Okay. I think we'll call it there. Thanks for watching, dudes. I hope you keep watching. This is getting pretty sick. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.